Welcome everyone to the online property show from the PropTiger. Today we are here to discuss a very beautiful project from the location Baner and which is from the developer Purani. So we have the panelists from the Puranic developer and the PropTiger both side. We have Nilesh and Mamta from the Puranic developers and Rahul Singh from the PropTiger. So welcome all to the property show from the PropTiger. I would request Nilesh and Mamta, first of all, introduce about the Puranic developers.
Hello everyone. So we start from Puranic history. Puranic is a 52-year-old company, and which we have delivered almost 29 projects all over Maharashtra. Right now, we have a 24 ongoing projects in all over Maharashtra, like Thane, Neral, Pune, and Lonavala. So in Pune, we have 3 projects. So first one is the idea, and second one is Abhinante phase 1. And right now we are talking about Abhinante phase 2, Abhinante Fiore, which is almost 45 acres project, and which we are delivered 10 acres almost first phase. And right now we are constructing phase 2 Fiore, that is almost 27 acres, which we have 10 buildings in first phase and 3 buildings in second phase. So first phase, we right now we start 4 buildings for booking, and first 2 buildings are 1 BHK and 2 BHK, and second 2 buildings C and D, which we have 2 and 3 BHK.
Wow. With a small introduction, it's look like that the project is very attractive, interesting, and very spacious. We will have the deep briefing about the projects in the latter part of the webinar. So I would like Rahul Singh from the PropTiger to introduce about the PropTiger. Rahul.
Good morning, everyone. I'll introduce about the PropTiger. PropTiger is the organization which was established in 2011. It's a part of Elara Technology Group, which was also on the housing and makan.com. From 2011 to 2021, we have reached more than 25,000 families in their home buying journey. Our business is helping to client, and apart from this, we also have visit our client for the home loan process, which will help them for the dream homes and provide also service without any cost.
Yeah. So it's look like PropTiger is a one roof solution for the people those are searching the home into the vast and very big market of the Pune, right?
Right.
So the Mamta, I would people would like to know why one should go with the Puranic developers.
Why one should go with the Puranic developers? See, actually, कोई भी चीज हम खरीदते हैं, we actually want to go ahead with the brand, right? Puranic is a 52-year-old brand. Wow. And real estate mein everybody knows ki to stick around for such a long time of period, they must be doing something right. Right. We are actually selling phase 2 sitting in front of phase 1, where 618 families are already staying. So with Puranics, I can guarantee you one thing regarding service, regarding quality of construction, or the most worried part, possession. यहाँ पे आपको कोई टेंशन नहीं होगा कभी पुरानिक्स के साथ.
Very good. So let's have a small video related to this topic. So can we have a video, please? Wow, a lot of things comes forward through the video. That are the interesting parts. Yeah, right. So Rahul, can you let us know what are the benefits or why one should go with the PropTiger in their property search?
The first benefit is like the marketing survey. which PropTiger is doing. Like we are always deal with the A and A plus category developers.
Okay.
So if you like go with the PropTiger, so एक चीज का आपको benefit है कि कोई भी developer के साथ अगर आप suppose you are dealing with a PropTiger Puranik, so customer can trust us like without any verification or anything. We are not dealing with any developers. So this is the first benefit. You will we developer will deal with a trustworthy developer only. And second thing, we have a market research team also, which will give you a research about the market, what market is going and all. And third thing is we will not charge you any single rupees for your services, which we will provide you.
That's an interesting part. No charge for any of the consultation.
Yeah, free of cost.
So means a PropTiger will get overall solutions with the PropTiger, and a very good legacy is carrying on with the Puranik developers. A very good combination I can see for the clients, right?
Right.
So Nilesh has already introduced some highlights about the project. Some of the interesting highlights comes forward through the video also. And now everyone is very much excited to know in detail about the projects, how the project sits, about their presentation and everything. So Nilesh, please help us to get insights and brief details about the projects.
Okay, yeah, sure, sir. Like जैसे हमने discuss किया था firstly कि we have a 45-acre project which is theme-based project, because Puranik always come with theme-based project like Italian, Spanish, and Tokyo and like that themes. But we are right now presenting it like a oxy-rich lifestyle homes, because our surrounding is like totally construction-free zone. Because our surrounding is covered by DRDO and NDA hills, and so our theme is like oxy-rich lifestyle. So we provide in flat a balcony garden, okay, and balcony garden we have two types of plants in your balcony. First is like areca and spider plants, and second one is in your dry balcony we are providing a herb planter. Okay, so just a minute. Mamta, can you please continue for a minute?
Yeah, sure, I'll do that. I'll take you guys ahead from here. So as my colleague was saying, we are basically working on Oxygreen theme. That means oxygen-rich lifestyle. As you all know, Pune is on the way, of becoming next Mumbai, concrete jungle. And we are really blessed with the location. As my colleague said, we are surrounded by NDA and DRDO hills. So that basically provides us with a lot of greenery, a lot of fresh air, a lot of open view. So we as a builder thought, why not take advantage of it? So we have come up with this project. As you have seen in the video, the code name is Breeze. So the name suggests, it has got something to do with air or the quality of air. So one thing I can promise you that we in this project are working to give you that kind of quality. See, quality of air, basically what happens is in day-to-day life, we don't think about what quality of air that we are breathing, right? But after a certain point in time, you need some type of calmness and pure quality of air that you need to breathe, even for our kids for that matter. So we are giving you plantation in balcony, we are giving you herb plantation in dry balcony. We have 43 amenities in the society, and out of which 90% of them are dependent on greenery only. We have butterfly garden, we have aromatic garden, we have mist gardens, we have eco pond where we are giving you lotus plantation, we have fruit orchards, rock gardens. So you can all in all say that we are trying to provide you the kind of amenities that you actually get to see in a resort, or you have to go to Lonavala or Mahabaleshwar for that. Yeah. So, and the best part is the entire phase 2 is covered in 27 acres. One might say it is one of the biggest projects in this location where we are situated. 1,600 families will be staying in the society. So the project all in all will give you a community feeling. We have 3 phases coming up over here. So you can call it, a colony type of living as well. And the best part about this location is कि this location is developing residentially. कोई भी location पे आप जाते हो, कोई भी city में जाते हो, तो one of the poshest location is what? जो residentially develop हो रहा है, right? So in our project, we have recently launched 4 buildings out of the entire 10 towers that we are coming up with. The elevation would be ground first and second floor would be parking, and above that 20 residential floors. One of the tallest towers in this location. Yeah. And we are providing you with 2 types of views. As you say, there are 2 types of people, but the people who like amenity facing, the people who like non-amenity facing. So non-amenity facing ke liye we have an advantage. We give you hillside facing flats. And as my colleague said earlier, it's a no construction zone. So it will be permanently open for you because it is a DRDO and NDA land parcel. And in terms of rate, the most important part about a project or a property, if you're looking for it, I can confidently say that we are offering you the lowest possible rates in this location. Okay. Yeah, I would hand over the further details if Nilesh sir would like to add something with it.
Oh, yeah. So, and the better part is this location, we have almost 2 best hospitals and better connectivity to highway, because we are just 1 kilometer from highway. So better connectivity we get Mumbai-Pune highway to city or Mumbai and Bangalore also. And we have almost 3 to 4 big schools and colleges in this location. Number of grocery, number of connectivity, like because we are in central location of Western Pune, so we will connect within a 7 to 8 kilometers in all the major area like Shivaji Nagar, Baner, Balewadi, Wakad, and city also.
Nilesh, can you present something about project, means how the layouts and everything would be?
So can we show any brochure?
Yeah.
Okay. Mamta, you have to explain.
Yeah. So basically, this is about Puranik's, the thing that we talked about previously. Can you go ahead? Who is sharing the screen right now?
Yeah.
It's
Yeah.
here.
So this is basically the location. Yeah. So this is the location plan. We are sitting over here right now. If you can see the cursor moving. Puranik Sabitante Fiore. Puneet sir, can you just go ahead with the master layout?
So Mamta, can you walk us through, like we are moving ahead, a bit of about every slide?
Yeah, sure. So I would, but it would have been better if we go ahead with the master layout first and then with the amenities. Yeah, the last page. Yeah, so basically we have in total 45 acres of land parcel over here, and we are coming up with 3 phases, out of which we have delivered phase 1 already. Approximately 2 years ago, the society has also been handed over to the people staying over there. So if you could see, if you can see the sales office के सामने जो open space है, there's our phase 1, and उसके just right hand side पे if you see the yellow, blue and brick color buildings, that is our phase 2. Yeah. So total 27 acres of land parcel, and in total 43 amenities, as I mentioned earlier. So we have launched first 4 buildings. So how I will go ahead with this is we'll talk about the amenities first, and then we'll go ahead with the layouts. Yeah. So as my colleague also mentioned earlier, so we have given you balcony gardens, we have given you herb plantations in the dry balcony. I would like to name a few, that is Tulsi, Pudina, aloe vera and something like that. And uske baad what we have done is, when you enter from the gate, you have a water fountain in the front, and on the right hand side over there you have a fruit orchard, right? Then you move to the next corner, you have rock garden, you have bushy walkway. Should I continue?
Yeah.
Come on, I can continue.
Yeah. So basically, as I was saying, so in total 43 amenities, right? All of them based on greenery. Puneet, if you could share the slide of the floor plan, that would be great. I would be able to explain the floor plans as well then. I guess there's some issue.
Hello, can we get the presentation, please? Mamta, you can share the screen for the presentation now.
Okay, just give me a moment then. Just give me a moment.
Yeah, presentation is live now with the layout.
So yeah, as you can see, this is basically our first two buildings, A and B wing. Yeah. So
Okay.
I would like to point out one thing about our layouts for this particular project is that, just give me a second. All the buildings are in plus shape.
Right.
Yeah. So what happens is, if the building is in plus shape, it gives you more stability as well. And the best part about it is कि एक पैसेज में आपको सिर्फ दो फ्लैट्स होंगे. Yeah, everybody wishes for a corner flat, right? So what we have done specifically for this project is, any home that you buy will be a corner wala flat. By default, providing you with great air ventilation and light ventilation, and even our dry balconies. If you see in the layout, even our dry balconies are not in the duct. They are out open in the air. So by default, giving you good ventilation in your kitchen as well. Usually ये 99 project में miss out हो जाता है कि dry balcony duct में आती है. उसके वजह से privacy concerns, ventilation concerns रहते ही रहते हैं. वो यहाँ पे आपको कभी face नहीं होगा. So this is C and D building. So basically we have 1 BHK, we have 2 BHK, and we have smart 3 BHKs with us. 1 BHK का carpet area we start with 489 square feet. 2 BHK का carpet area, we have 4 variants basically in 2 BHK. 598, 616 square feet carpet area. We have 692, and the largest one would be 733 square feet. Right? And in smart 3 BHKs, we have 867 and 908 square feet K units. And the areas that I mentioned are purely carpet areas that you'll be able to use in your own home. Right? So what you see in front of you is 1 BHK. So you enter from here, and I forgot to mention, all the entry and exits of all the homes are east-west facing. Yeah, so that is one thing less you have to worry about. You enter from here, there's a small lobby space. Then you enter into your living and dining area. This is a 1 BHK. 10 by 14 का आपका living dining area आता है for a 1 BHK, and इससे attached आपका balcony है. So what we have done is, we are giving you balconies and not odd even terrace concept. The drawback with terrace concept is that कि odd even में क्या हो जाता है कि आपके ऊपर वाली window open हो रही है उसमें. So by default, what happens is you have privacy concerns, and ultimately you end up putting up a shade over it. Yeah, so basically दो problem होती है. First and foremost is आपको trouble होता है, and second is आपका पूरा building का elevation जाता है. See, you buy a property in a particular project because उसकी सारी चीजें आपको पसंद आ रही है. So इस वजह से what we have done is we have given you a proper balcony on it. एक के ऊपर एक आएगा, by default giving you privacy, right? एंड सबको हॉल में ही आएगी. सो यूजुअली होता है ना ऑड इवन कंसेप्ट में फिर बेडरूम वाले यूनिट्स खरीदने पड़ते हैं कुछ लोगों को, वो यहाँ पे आपको ड्रॉबैक नहीं है, राइट? सो दिस इज अ 2 BHK इन फ्रंट ऑफ मी. 2 BHK में दिस इज आई गेस 598 स्क्वायर फीट का कारपेट एरिया. यू एंटर फ्रॉम हियर. 10 by 14.5 का आपका लिविंग डाइनिंग एरिया है. इससे लग के आपकी बैल्कनी आ रही है 10 by 6.5 की. So that's a huge balcony space with a balcony garden. You can easily set up a small table and 4 chairs around it. You move back into the living area. इस तरफ आप जाते हो, राइट हैंड साइड पे 10 by 11.25 का आपका मास्टर बेडरूम है. इससे अटैच्ड आपका वॉशरूम आएगा. एंड इस तरफ आपका 9.5 by 10 की चिल्ड्रन बेडरूम आ रही है, जिसके लिए कॉमन वॉशरूम बाहर तरफ दिया हुआ है आपको, राइट? यू अगेन मूव आउट. आपका किचन है 7.5 by 8.5 का, जिससे लग के आपकी ड्राई बालकनी स्पेस आ रही है 8 by 3 की. इफ यू सी यहाँ पे जो है ये बाहर ओपन हो रही है. एज आई मेंशन्ड अर्लियर, इट इज नॉट इन द डक्ट. दिस इज 598 स्क्वायर फीट. इफ यू कुड जस्ट शो अस द नेक्स्ट स्लाइड प्लीज. Yeah, so this is 692 square feet. Area 100 square feet ज्यादा है इससे ये. This is in C&D wing. So यहाँ से the plus point about this particular layout is कि इसमें आपको छोटा सा lobby space आ रहा है. 10 by 16.5 का living dining area है. इससे लग के आपका 10 by 6.5 का balcony space है. Kitchen 7.5 by 8.5 का है. 8 by 3.5 का आपका ड्राई बालकनी है. यू मूव योर आपका 10 by 10 का मास्टर चिल्ड्रन बेडरूम है. इसके सामने आपका कॉमन वॉशरूम आ रहा है एंड वॉश बेसिन आपको बाहर दिया हुआ है इसमें, राइट? यू एंटर फ्रॉम योर. यहाँ से आपका मास्टर बेडरूम चालू होता है 10 by 12 का, और इससे आपका अटैच्ड वॉशरूम है. सो इफ यू सी जो लेआउट्स भी हमने दिए हैं ना, वी हैव गिवन यू मिनिमम वेस्टेज इन ऑल द फ्लैट्स. दिस इज 733 स्क्वायर फीट का लेआउट. यू एंटर फ्रॉम योर 10 by 19 का आपका लिविंग डाइनिंग एरिया है. सो 10 by 19 इज प्रीटी ह्यूज एरिया टू गेट समवेयर. इससे लग के आपका बैल्कनी स्पेस आ रहा है 10 by 6.5 का. यू मूव अहेड 10 by 11 की आपकी एक बेडरूम यहाँ पे आ रही है, जिससे अटैच्ड आपको एक और बैल्कनी है इसमें 11 by 4 की, राइट? कॉमन वॉशरूम अगेन बाहर आएगा आपका. यहाँ पे आपका वॉश बेसिन एंड देन यू एंटर इनटू योर मास्टर बेडरूम. 10 by 12 का आपका मास्टर बेड है विद अटैच्ड वॉशरूम. एंड यू गो बैक आउट इन द लिविंग एरिया. और किचन इस तरफ है 8 by 8 का. इससे लग के 8 by 3.5 की आपकी ड्राई बालकनी आ रही है. सो इफ यू सी सारे जो लेआउट्स मैंने अभी आपको दिखाए फॉर 1 BHK 2 BHK एंड आई विल शो यू 3 BHK एज वेल. तो इसमें व्हाट वी हैव डन इज कि किचन को सेपरेट रखा हुआ है. बेडरूम्स अलग जगह पे है और किचन सेपरेट रखा हुआ है. सो इफ यू गो अहेड विद गो टू द बेडरूम और समथिंग, तो किचन आपका प्राइवेट रहता है. यूजुअली काफी लोगों को किचन प्राइवेट पसंद आता है, स्पेशली लेडीज की बात करो तो. या सो दिस इज योर 3 BHK सुपीरियर 908 स्क्वायर फीट का कारपेट एरिया है. इसमें आपने एंटर किया, यहाँ से यू हैव अ लॉबी स्पेस. दरवाजे के पीछे आपको शू रैक स्पेस भी है. और व्हाट वी कैन डू ऑल्टरनेटिवली इज एज आई मेंशन्ड अर्लियर कि एक पैसेज में 2 ही फ्लैट है. सो यू कैन मेक अ शू रैक स्पेस आउटसाइड और यहाँ पे आप स्टोरेज कैबिनेट कर सकते हो. बड़ा स्पेस है क्योंकि ये 10 by 19 का आपका लिविंग डाइनिंग एरिया है. किचन अगेन आपका 7.5 by 8.5 का है. इस तरफ आपका ड्राई बालकनी स्पेस आ रहा है. गेस्ट बेडरूम इस तरफ रखी है आपकी. ये आपकी आती है 9.5 by 11.25 की. इससे लग के आपको एक टेरेस है. अब नाउ दिस टेरेस कम्स इनटू ऑड इवन कंसेप्ट. देयर आर 2 वेरिएंट्स फॉर 3 BHK 867 and 908. सो दिस इज अ 908 वाला. If you go ahead with 867, that is odd floor, तो ये टेरेस आपको नहीं आएगा. यहाँ पे आपको विंडो होगी. So that again comes to your personal choice. You move this side. यहाँ पे आपका लिविंग से लग के बैल्कनी आया 10 by 6.5. मास्टर बेडरूम 10 by 12 with attached washroom. And this इस तरफ आपका एक और बेडरूम आता है 10 by 11, जिससे आपकी एक और बैल्कनी आ रही है 11 by 4 की, राइट? सो बेसिकली these were my variants जो फर्स्ट 4 टावर्स में हमने ओपन अप किया है. So all the layouts, I can proudly say that they have minimum wastage anywhere. No unnecessary passages or lobbies. सिर्फ carpet area बढ़ाने के लिए आपको कहीं पे भी ये नहीं दिया है. So when I say 733 का carpet area, I can कॉन्फिडेंटली से कि आपको पूरा यूज एरिया जो है वो एक्चुअली यूज करने मिलेगा एंड देयर विल बी नो वेस्टेज. या आई विल हैंड ओवर टू राजेश. या
Your 10 by 19 living room itself says that how you utilize the carpet area, because
Yes.
it's a dream come true.
Yeah.
19 feet long living room.
Yes.
Right? It's a very good. So it's a very good that looking to presentation and the video, that project is very attractive. Various things are considered in the project. Real-time aspects of the living are considered in the project, right?
Yes. Yes.
In the initial stage, I heard about oxy-rich lifestyle.
Yeah.
Can you brief something about that oxy-rich lifestyle? What is meant by that, and how it's taken care into the project? Is there any theme base
I'll do that.
inside the project?
Yeah. So as I mentioned earlier, ki Oxygreen was a theme, and Breeze is the code name for the project. So basically, as I mentioned earlier, ki we as a person or we as a society are not thinking about the kind of air quality that we are breathing. See, our generation specifically, we do have breathing issues, even if we are not actually ill, right? We cannot put on our mask for a longer period of time. Our immunity is weak. See, there are a lot of things that, you know, contribute to these health conditions, and the major being air quality. बचपन से सिटी में रह रहे हैं तो we have actually inhaled a lot of pollution already. So if not us, why not give our future generation, and for that matter ultimately to us as well, a pure quality of air that we can breathe while staying connected to the city as well. I'm not saying कि air quality के लिए लोनावला जाके रहो. You can stay in the city and get the same things at the same time. So उसके लिए what we have done is, जैसे मेरे colleague ने बताया था, balcony garden में we are giving you two specific type of plants. One is Erica palm and another one is spider plant. So Erica palm releases oxygen 24/7. Spider plant reduces carbon dioxide and formaldehyde level from the air. So basically they act as natural air filters. राइट. सो बेसिकली पुणे में रह के हमें उसका उतना इम्पोर्टेंस नहीं पता है, टू बी वेरी फ्रैंक. बट आज आप कोई मुंबई वाले बंदे को बिठा दो यहाँ, या कोई दिल्ली वाले को बिठा दो, वो एक्चुअली वहाँ पे एयर प्योरीफायर्स खरीद के यूज कर रहे हैं, जो हम नेचुरली यहाँ प्रोवाइड करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं आपको. एंड आपकी दूसरी जगह जो ड्राई बालकनी आ रही है, ड्राई बालकनी में हर्ब्स आपको प्लांटेशन करके दे रहे हैं हम यहाँ पे. उसके बाद व्हेन यू एंटर द सोसाइटी, अब नीचे आते हैं सोसाइटी में, व्हेन यू एंटर इनटू द सोसाइटी, जो विजन है हमारा सोसाइटी बनाने का is you enter and all you'll be able to see is greenery in the society, including your compound walls, your entrance of the building में भी vertical plantation रहेगा आपका. एंड पूरी जो amenities है, जैसे मैंने पहले बताया था, 90% are dependent on greenery. So if you leave out my clubhouse, उसके अलावा कहीं पे भी स्ट्रक्चरल एमिनिटी नहीं है, सारा लैंडस्केपिंग में है. सो वी आर गिविंग यू बटरफ्लाई गार्डन्स. सो बटरफ्लाई गार्डन में इट इज नॉट एज इफ कि बटरफ्लाइज आर्टिफिशियली प्लांट कर रहे हैं. वी आर गोइंग टू प्लांट सम स्पेशल टाइप ऑफ प्लांटेशंस जिससे अट्रैक्ट होंगे बटरफ्लाइज. उसके जस्ट बाजू में यू हैव मिस्ट गार्डन, फ्रूट ऑर्चर्ड. सो फ्रूट ऑर्चर्ड इज समथिंग आई डोंट थिंक कोई बिल्डर ने सोचा होगा ये एमिनिटी देने का. और उसके नीचे आपका अगेन सिट आउट एरियाज एंड वॉकवेज. यू हैव रॉक गार्डन, बुशी वॉकवे. यंग जनरेशन के लिए सेपरेट सिट आउट एरिया दिया हुआ है. आई डोंट थिंक किसी ने बनाया भी होगा जो
Aspect
हमने
of the
सोचा है
lifestyle is
बनाने
considered
के लिए.
inside the projects while developing the architecture of the projects, right?
Yes,
So
yes,
it is
yes,
the
yes.
1
So
BHK, 2
basically
BHK and 3 BHK combination project, right?
right.
Right, very good. What are the future connectivity for this project?
Nilesh sir?
Can you share the brochure, anyone?
Yeah, I'll do that. Just give me a second.
Like, just a minute. Just a minute.
Is the screen visible?
Yes.
Yeah. Nilesh sir, are you available on call? Nilesh sir? So I'll take you guys ahead with the location mapping and the future connectivity of the project. So if you can see my cursor,
Yes.
if I can request for a 5 minute, 2 minutes actually, Nilesh sir aa rahe hain. Just
Actually,
give 2 seconds.
it's ongoing.
Yeah, just give us 2 seconds. Nilesh sir? Nilesh sir?
Hello. Hello.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, please go ahead with the future connectivity.
बट सर वो मेरे को मार्क करके बताइए. ठीक है. ओके. सो फ्यूचर कनेक्टिविटी में अगर हम बात करते हैं तो जैसे कि अभी आप प्रोजेक्ट देख रहे होंगे अपना पुरानी कवितांते जो मार्क है.
Right.
So ये जो कनेक्टिंग रोड है एक्चुअली दैट इज राइट नाउ 9 मीटर रोड बट फ्यूचर में ये 12 मीटर कनेक्टिंग रोड रहेगी फ्रॉम हाईवे. इसके अलावा अगर हम बात करते हैं तो जो डीएसके टोयोटा की लोकेशन आप देख रहे हो फ्रॉम डीएसके टोयोटा टू आवर प्रोजेक्ट इज अ 18 मीटर रोड जो कि कनेक्ट हो रही है हमारे प्रोजेक्ट के लिए. तो वी आर टू कनेक्टिविटी फ्रॉम हाईवे एंड वन इज 12 मीटर एंड सेकंड वन इज 18 मीटर.
Okay.
Okay. And one more best part in Bavdhan location, you see the Chandni Chowk location. So यहाँ पर एक मेट्रो स्टेशन बन रहा है जो कि बावधान के लिए एक मेट्रो कनेक्टिविटी का बेस्ट पॉइंट होगा. एंड यहाँ पे एक आपका इंटरचेंज का भी काम चालू है तो एक अच्छा बोल सकते हैं एक बेटर कनेक्टिविटी आपको मिलती है फॉर ऑलमोस्ट 6 लोकेशन बिकॉज यहाँ से अगर आप देखते हो चांदनी चौक से ऑलमोस्ट 6 डायरेक्शन से रोड्स कनेक्ट हो रहे हैं. तो यहाँ पे एक काफी बड़ा एक जंक्शन बन रहा है इन टर्म्स ऑफ इंटरचेंज एंड मेट्रो कनेक्टिविटी मिल जाती है आपको यहाँ से. एंड थर्ड वन इज फ्रॉम पिरंगुट रोड जो आपका मुल्शी वाला रोड है ये वाला. तो फ्रॉम यहाँ से अगर आप देखेंगे तो जो रिंग रोड का पार्ट है रिंग रोड का पार्ट जो कि हिंजवेड़ी कनेक्टिंग है हिंजवेड़ी एंड आउटर पूना कनेक्ट करता है. So it's a 110 मीटर वाइड रिंग रोड जो कि 6 लेन हाईवे रहेगा.
Okay.
जो कि ऑक्सफोर्ड गोल्फ रिसोर्ट जो आपको दिख रहा है ऑक्सफोर्ड गोल्फ रिसोर्ट के पास से निकल रहा है which is almost 300 meters from our project.
Okay. Very good. Very good.
Yeah.
So Rahul, now means if audience want to visit this project or have to like to have more details about this project, how can PropTiger help them?
So PropTiger help in the two terms. Like first of all, my RMs will come to your location, will and explain about the project. So जो भी आपको information चाहिए रहेगी पहले हम लोग एक मीटिंग कंडक्ट करेंगे कस्टमर के साथ उनके लोकेशन पे जाएंगे and we will explain all the brief about the project, about the connectivity, location and everything. And after that we will also help him out for the site visits also.
Okay.
So we also provide, like this is a COVID situation, I know कि काफी लोग बाहर आने के लिए भी सोचते हैं, तो we also provide pick up and drop facility with a sanitized car. So जिनके घर में छोटे बच्चे हैं या एजेड लोग हैं जो नहीं आ सकते हैं तो उनके लिए हम ये भी फैसिलिटीज प्रोवाइड करेंगे साइट पे लाके उनको साइट विजिट कराने के लिए और बुकिंग क्वालिटीज में हेल्प करने के लिए.
Very good. Thanks a lot. So it's look like a very good package in terms of the location, in terms of the projects, in terms of the architecture planning, in terms of the price, and PropTiger helping them towards the end-to-end solution. So it's a very good combination for everyone to have a look of these beautiful projects. So thank you everyone for joining this webinar. Thank you all the panelists Nilesh, Mamta and Rahul to make us aware about this beautiful, interesting and a very good location and the projects itself. Thanks everyone.
Thank you.
So